Welcome to an intergalactic tag team match of epic proportions. In one corner, we have NASA's dynamic duo, the Chandra X-ray Observatory and the Hubble Space Telescope. And in the other, a pair of supermassive black holes. Get ready for the ultimate cosmic showdown, closer to Earth than you might think. Deep in the merging galaxies known as MCG 033464, 800 million light-years away, these two black holes are locked in a cosmic dance. They're only 300 light-years apart, a surprisingly short distance in space terms. Fueled by gas and dust, they shine with intense light and powerful jets, making them what astronomers call active galactic nuclei, or AGNs. These AGNs outshine all the stars in their galaxies combined. Here's the kicker. This is the closest AGN pairing we've ever seen in multiple wavelengths of light. Hubble spotted them in visible light, while Chandra detected them in X-rays. Though another pair of black holes was found closer, it was only observed in radio waves, making this discovery unique. At the heart of this epic event lies a tale of two galaxies that collided, bringing their supermassive black holes together. They won't stay this far apart for long, though. As they orbit each other, they emit ripples in space-time called gravitational waves. Over the next 100 million years, these waves will bring the black holes closer, until they eventually merge in a cataclysmic event. While AGN binaries like this were more common in the early universe, this discovery offers a rare opportunity to study such a system much closer to Earth. These galactic collisions were frequent billions of years ago, but seeing one this close brings a piece of cosmic history right to our doorstep. Sometimes science is all about being in the right place at the right time. Hubble's keen eye caught a dense concentration of oxygen, a clue that something strange was happening in MCG 033464. When Chandra took a closer look, it confirmed not one, but two powerful X-ray sources. Adding in data from the Very Large Array in New Mexico, scientists saw powerful radio waves emitted by this black hole duo. With optical, X-ray, and radio evidence combined, there's no doubt. These are two supermassive black holes in a tight embrace. But there's more. Hubble spotted a mysterious third bright light in the mix. Could it be gas blasted by a jet of plasma from one of the black holes? Like a garden hose hitting a mound of sand, this jet could be shocking the gas and glowing brightly. Even after 3 decades in space, Hubble continues to amaze us with groundbreaking discoveries. As this cosmic tag team match plays out, scientists are ready to keep watching. What will these supermassive black holes reveal next? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space discoveries.